Hello all, welcome back to Make Coding Easier. This is the 10th division of the HTML tutorial, and today our focus will mainly be on iframes. We'll see what is the definition of iframes. We'll see what iframes are used for. We'll see how to adjust iframes according to our will. We'll use relative and absolute URLs and iframes, which we learned last class, and then we'll also have the practical section. What do iframes exactly mean? Iframes full form is inline frames in HTML. Okay, this tag defines a rectangular type of area which can be used to display an external document. Like any website can be displayed inside the iframe. This may include scroll bars if the document is too long, or may not. I mean, it depends on the external source. Usage of the iframe tag. Iframe is used to make a rectangular box, as we just discussed. Any website can be put inside that particular box. We can even adjust the height and width. To put it in simple words, an inline frame is used to embed another document within the current HTML document. Iframe is basically used to show a website inside a current web page. Syntax. The following is the syntax of how to use iframes. So first you'll open the iframe tag. Inside that we have the src attribute. Inside the src attribute we give the URL and then the title, and then we close the iframe tag. So we have many attributes that are used with iframes. We learn the basic ones. Height and width to control the size of the iframe. We can remove the border. By default, iframes have a border. It will be done using the border attribute inside the style attribute. We can even style the border by using the style attribute or by using external CSS. So that's it for today's theory section. We'll move ahead to the practical section. So now we move ahead with the practical section of today's video. We'll be trying out iframes. I'll embed www.pyrum.in inside our iframe. Pyrum is a online consultation website. You guys can try it out if you wish to. The link is there in the description. Let's start. I'll create an iframe. This is the code we are left with after our previous class. And let me show you the output. This is the output we are left with. Okay, I'll create an iframe just below the table we created last class. So iframe. And then I'll get rid of the frame border attribute. We'll talk about that later. And our src will be https://www.pyrum.in, and then I select okay and save it. So I have a very default iframe currently which embeds Pyrum. Okay, next I'll give a title to the iframe. Let it stay iframe. It's not like matters. And then we have the class. Let the class be iframe1. Okay, now I'll go to my CSS part. Here I edited .iframe1. We use dot for targeting classes. .iframe1, and then let the height be 1000 pixels. Then the width, I want the iframe to take up 75% of the width, so I'll give 75%. 75% of the screen width, 75% means of the whole screen. So it differs from different screens. Like I show it on a TV, it'll take 75% of the TV screen. Next, I'll edit my border. Okay, you know what? First, we'll see how this looks. So this is how it looks. 1000 pixels height, and then 75% of my screen width. Next, I'll edit the border. I want a borders. In case you don't want a border, you can give border : none. That removes the border. And then in case you want to edit your border, like edit the width of the border or something, border width. We have border width, which can be 20 pixels. We have different styles of border, like border style, have dotted, have dashed, have many. Okay, let's say groove, double. Now we'll have double border. we have a double border. Okay, let's say dotted. Dotted won't look good, but for the demonstration sake, we have a dotted border. Let's say dashed. We have a dashed border. Like dashed is something similar to dotted, but with hyphens, like straight lines. Okay. Currently, I don't want any specific border style, so I'll remove this. Border width will be 20 pixels. Border color will be, let's say, blue. Save it. We have a blue border. That's how we edit the border color. And then, that's how we edit the border. Okay. By default, it has a straight border, straight line border with grain color. So that's how you edit borders in iframes. You remove the border in iframes. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.